Welcome to the Construction Trades program. My name's Brooklyn. I'm a senior from Medina High School.
I'm Mike, and I'm a senior from Brunswick High School.
So behind us we have a breakdown of junior and senior year. Over here, junior year, you'll start with hand tools, anything from a handsaw to a hammer. Then you'll get certified on power tools. After your certifications, you'll create your own blueprints. This includes the foundation, framing, and roofing.
In senior year, we focus on a lot of different trades. We start with surveying, we'll do concrete work, insulation, drywalling, interior trim, electrical and plumbing work, and a bunch of other things.
Now we're going to give you a tour of our lab. We're going to start with one of our senior houses. Over here is where we've been working on drywall. This is where we learn how to hang it and finish it. After this, we can move to painting, trim work, learning how to install doors and windows. And now I'm going to hand it over to Mike to talk to you about the academic options here at the Career Center.
Here at the Career Center, there's a lot of opportunities for what classes you can take academically. You can take your math, language, science, and social studies, as well as other electives. You can take everything from regular, honors, AP, and CCP classes here. Now let's go over to the CNC machine.
I'm Dylan. I'm from Wadsworth High School. After graduation, I plan on joining the apprenticeship program to become a licensed electrician. This is John, and he's going to tell you about our CNC machine.
Yeah, I'm John. I go to Buckeye High School. This is a CNC machine. Right now, we're working on a restoration project on a clock that's going to be in Medina Square. All of our programming we do is on Aspire. We design and create whatever we want and put it onto the machine.
Now we're going to take you over to the concrete station.
In this class, we learn a lot about pouring concrete, mixing concrete, and setting concrete. We pour a foundation and then put our forms on top of it and mix, pour, and set the concrete. Now we'll show you some of the rest of the lab.
This is an example of one of the blueprints from junior year. You'll start with the foundation and build your walls. As soon as you have your walls up, you can apply plywood, and you also create your own staircase. So even though we're super busy here at the Career Center, we also stay involved with our home schools. I'm in a club called Huddle, and Mike plays soccer for Brunswick. So over here, this is Hayden. He's going to talk to you about Skills USA and projects we do in the class.
All right. Hey everybody, my name's Hayden and I went to Medina High School. So Skills USA, it is an organization that gives people good opportunities who want to go into the workforce, stuff like that. I went on a carpentry competition and now I get to go to state, which is pretty cool. They also offer scholarships to people who do and do not want to go into college. We go to on-site field trips a couple times throughout the year. Whether it's for charity like Habitat for Humanity or just a customer wants us to build something for them. Also, we have projects. So right here we have the clock, which is for the Medina Square. This is a cat tree for a customer who wanted a cat tree basically. And then over here is a display board. This is what I've been working on. Mr. Mason, he allowed me to estimate it, quote it for the customer, order it on through the phone, and also build it when I got here. So finally, early placement, I'll talk about that. So early placement is basically where you can get a job second half of your senior year, and instead of going to your lab, you can go work basically. So you can just earn money instead of going to school. So that's pretty cool, and that's about it. And now I'm gonna hand it over back to Brooklyn and Mike.
So even if you don't continue with this career after high school, you still learn a lot of valuable knowledge, and it's always a good career to fall back on. So my name's Brooklyn.
I'm Mike.
And thank you for visiting us at the Career Center.